It's like fake rats.
And for our guests traveling into Raleigh, we're going to begin the boarding process in just another couple moments. We'll begin by pre-boarding, followed by U.S. military, 360 members, Zone 1, Zone 2. After Zone 2, we'll invite our families traveling with children using car seats and strollers, continuing up to Zone 8. We do have a full flight today. We will be looking for volunteers to check carry-on items. Please let me know as you board. It's complimentary to pick it up in baggage claim. Otherwise, once it's been determined the bins are full, we'll be checking anything towards the end of the boarding process, more likely with zones 7 and 8. If we check a bag, please remove any spare lithium batteries, medication, electronic cigarettes, or anything else that you may need from flight. If you have a smart bag, you'll also need to remove that battery prior to boarding. And federal regulations allows one carry-on item, one personal item. Thank you. See you in just a bit for boarding. And at this time, we'd like to pre-board